Today I am at Sanderling in Palmetto, and this amazing community is easy to commute to. It's right off the freeway, connecting you to I-75 north and south, 275 around the entire Tampa Bay region, and right off Route 41 and 301. So you cannot get a better location. And here's the thing, this community does not have any CDD fee. Everything is already built into the home prices, so you won't freak out seeing that extra amount on your tax bill. This also has a low community HOA, and I know that you're gonna say, well, what are the amenities and what does it pay for? But let me tell you, they're trying to keep it simple for you. They're not trying to overcomplicate things. You're gonna have a little bit of community beautification, especially entrances, exits, to keep it looking nice. But they're trying to keep it to where you don't have to pay a lot. There's no extra fees. And right now they have crazy incentives. This is one community you are not gonna wanna miss because it's only 98 homes. And when they're gone, they're gone. There's no more phases. It's not some big multi-planned unit development. It is a small community and it's gonna be very private. So let's go take a look. This home is the model. It is called the Woodruff. It is a 4-bedroom plus a loft, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, 2,323 square foot. Up on the second floor, we've got our laundry room right towards the left, right next to all the bedrooms for quick cleanup. Quartz countertops in the bathroom, right in between bedrooms. Love the double windows on one side and the feature wall. This feels like California. And for this home, your primary is on the second floor. Yes, this is a generously sized primary suite. Generously sized water closet, walk-in shower, look how big this is. This walk-in closet you could almost play cornhole in. Just kidding. I'm loving this floor plan. Not only did they design it well, you have the option for the beautiful tray ceiling and a pendant light there. The placement of the windows to where you can have a nice bed with the headboard is very nice, something I wish my home had. The window light is also very nice. This loft space can be used for movies, schooling, game rooms. Just a fantastic space they've laid out here. Kudos to Mattamy Homes. Again, this is the Woodruff model by Mattamy Homes in the Sanderling community in Palmetto. Beautiful two-story home with a loft. It is a fantastic home with warm, rich amenities, plenty of separate spaces for the whole family and friends, even a great outdoor space for entertaining right off the kitchen. So everybody feels included. You've got your quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and vinyl plank flooring on the main floor for easy and quick cleanups. Want to get the best deal on a new home? Click the link below to book a tour with me and make sure to subscribe for more home tours.